Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and this is a affiliate demo video, okay? A demo video for our affiliates, specifically for our next launch called Video Agency Funnels. And I just want to give you a quick walkthrough so that you can see the power of the software and so that you can see what your audience is going to get for just, $47 or less during the launch special. And I'm going to keep this short and sweet, and then there's obviously going to be an official long demo. And if you're one of our proven affiliates, you're going to also get review access, right? But number one, this is a funnel builder for local businesses and for freelancers, right? Agencies who want to sell websites, right? So if I click here on funnels, that's what I just clicked on here. And if I click here on new funnel, you will see that our templates specialize in local business funnels, right? That's number one criteria that makes our funnel builder different. Like we are not, focusing on affiliate marketing websites or something like that. This is all local niches right here, right? We have wedding planning, we have house cleaners, we have gyms, and you can see different industries here, lawn service, restaurants and whatnot, right? So you can see here we have restaurant, travel, wedding, real estate, sport, different niches here. If you click on them, it's just going to show you the templates for those niches. And each template comes with a full-blown funnel where you can have an opt-in page, a sales page or landing page, a thank you page, and so forth, right? If I click here on all templates, I have all my local marketing templates. So criteria number one, what makes us different is this is the first ever funnel builder on JVZoo that specifically is created for agencies and local marketers and freelancers, right? Number two, if I click here on videos, we also have a full-blown video builder inside here as well for local businesses, right? We have the same niches right here. You can pick the video that you like, you can customize it for your client, you can add a call to action, and you can add images that you want, okay? So if I click on this video here just to check it out, for example, I can click here on play if I want to, or I can edit this template, right? Let's click on play real quick. So you can see we have animations right here. I can click here on edit this template, and then it's going to bring up the editor here. And then here on the left-hand side, I can edit the slides, I can edit the text, I can edit the image. I can fully customize this video for my client and then sell this as an additional service to the local business, to the actual customer, right? So if I go back here to the main dashboard, now we have two different things that makes our funnel builder unique. Number one, it's a funnel builder for agencies. Number two, you get a video builder built in so you can sell to a local business a video service, videos, you can sell them websites or funnels, for example. Then here, if I click here, we have a forecasting feature. This allows you to forecast revenue, profits, and cost for your client. If I click here on a new simulation, I have here sales, emails, other webinar. I can click here on sales, for example, call this example, click here on next. And then here I can add traffic, for example, okay? And then I have here, I can select Google Ads, Facebook ads, different traffic sources, the cost, the monthly visitors, CPC, campaign name I can give it, and I can do this for an opt-in page, a sales page, a checkout page, and then I can go ahead and actually do a simulation and forecast the client's cost, revenue, and profit, which is cool. It's very something unique to our funnel builder and very unique for agencies as a service that they can also sell, right? Then if I go here on the left-hand side, we have marketplace, I have my products as well. I have my orders, I have my teams. With one of the upgrades, you can add team members, and then I can click here on integrations, for example, and you can see here with analytics, we have Google Analytics, Facebook Analytics, custom tracking as well. You can obviously use our built-in analytics, and here autoresponder, we have Aweber, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, and whatnot. They can also add their own autoresponder, and then with the upgrades, there are going to be more autoresponders available as well. We have payment processes right here, right now, PayPal, Stripe. We're working on integrating more there as well. So as you can see, there's a lot that your customer gets with this package right here. And then if I go back here to the funnels, if you just want to see really quick the quality of the websites, I have a couple here, like a burger place, a cleaning home. I have a boxing one here. I can just click here on the eye and check it out, and then I can look at the funnel, right? So let's click on this. And here you can see the website. I just want to show you the quality really quick. You can see a nice header. And then here, there's a video that you can obviously create with our funnel builder and customize for your client. There's copyright here, an opt-in form. This could be a squeeze page. This could be a sales page. It's a beautiful, professional website that your audience can then sell to local businesses. And if I click here on edit, for example, just to show really quick the funnel builder in action as well, you can see here right now in this funnel, I have a sales page and a thank you page. I can check out the page, I can delete it, I can edit it, of course. I can have a split test with the pro version as well. We have split testing features as well. and I can click here on create a new step. And if I want to add a squeeze page to this funnel, I just click on here, a sales page, a launch page, a thank you page, an opt-in page, a webinar page, and so forth, right? I just pick the one that I want, and then you can add it to the funnel. And so that way you can customize the funnel fully for your actual prospect, right? So this is pretty much it. This is a new account. I just wanted to show you how it's going to look like when your audience logs in. It's called Video Agency Funnels. We go live on March 15th at 11 a.m. A highly congruent funnel with Pro upgrade, with a unlimited upgrade, with a white label upgrade as well, an agency package. We have a massive retargeting campaign. We have a $7,000 opening contest as well, right? So we have a proven team, a proven funnel, and we pay our affiliates quickly, and we generate the maximum commissions as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, please, to reach out to myself and ask for review access if you are established affiliate. And that's pretty much it. I can't wait to see you on the leaderboard. Thanks so much for watching.